Hello, my name is Gabriel, and today I want to talk about a very special event in my life, my graduation day. This event happened 5 months ago in December 2024, when I finished my studies and received my diploma. It was a very important day for me and my family because it was the result of many years of effort and dedication. The ceremony took place at my university. It was a sunny morning, and I remember I feel very excited and a little nervous. I wore a cap and glove, and my classmate and I took many pictures together. My mother and my sister were with me, and they were very proud. We sat in a big auditorium. And when they called my name, I walked to the stage to get my diploma. Everyone clapped for me, and I feel so happy. After the ceremony, we went to a restaurant to celebrate. We had lunch together and talked about the future. My family gave me a gift, a watch, and I still wear it today. It reminds me of that special moment. And this day was important to me because I feel that I had achieved something big. I worked hard and my effort were finally rewarded. I also realized that it was the beginning of a new chapter in my life. It was an emotional, unforgettable, and proud moment. Thank you for listening. Bye.